Do you know, the employers will need to fill nearly 2.2 million new project management roles each year through 2027? Project management ensures the implemented project strategy connects with business objectives. It ensures the availability of resources and no more problem on a project. Considering a career in project management is the best decision you could make today. And, do you know what are the key advantages of a project management career? If yes, then you have come to the right video. Hi. My name is Vijay, and I am the founder of projectsmind.com, and today we would learn about 5 key benefits of a project management career. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. No doubt, project management is an exciting job. However, project management is also demanding and stressful. It is a high-paying job with plenty of opportunities to propel your career in the top ranks of senior management of any company. Here are the top 5 compelling benefits of a project management career. The first one is continuous career progression. Remember, project manager is not the final destination of your project management career. There are many different project management titles that can exist in any industry. There is a defined hierarchy as you can work your way up to the professional ladder, and it can be separated into 3 tiers. You can start working at different tiers, even in supporting roles, to get hands-on experience in project management. The second one is the opportunity to work on the different types of projects. In the project management world, no 2 days will look alike. Even the same project manager can handle 2 different types of projects. Even in a specific domain, there could be numerous types of projects you can work upon. Every day, the project provides new challenges to team members. Project management is all about implementing strategy through cooperation and coordination among various stakeholders. The third one is high salaries and perks. Project management professionals draw attractive compensations because of their unique set of skills. Their abilities to take up challenges, complex scenarios, separate from the crowd. With your right set of skills, you can attract a competitive salary that will offer long-term stability and better career prospects. Organizations require project managers to grow and succeed in achieving their business goals, hence the company need to offer lucrative compensations to these project management professionals. The fourth one is being the connecting link between the client, top management, and project team. As a project manager, you get the privilege of an acting single point of contact between clients, top management of your company, and the project team. This positions you as an authorized cross-functional communicator with key stakeholders, and bring in the limelight. Of course, this limelight comes with a lot of other responsibilities, but it provides you with a lifetime opportunity to showcase your talent, skills, and potential. Fifth is goal-oriented actions. Goal-oriented action is the most valuable skill for any project professional. This is the most sought skill in the project management profession, and the foundation block of the success of any project management career. It helps you to develop your confidence and prepare you as a thought leader. A goal-oriented person is driven by purpose and can focus on the tasks at hand more efficiently. And now you know the top 5 benefits of project management. And, if you would like to know more about projects and project management, visit us at projectsmind.com. At projectsmind.com, we support project people in all the amazing work they do every day. Our objective is to provide access to world-class project management education for anyone, anywhere in the world for free. The concepts you will learn are applicable to all projects, from Fortune 500 firms to all the way to your own home. And, don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. See you later, and bye for now.